Hello folks, it's Chris in Arena Studio with another guitar lesson for you. Today we're going to look at Wishing Well, not the free version, the Gary Moore version, the introduction riff to a great track. If you want to learn how to play that, and it's pretty easy this one, then this is the video for you. Thanks for sticking around, folks. Please give the channel a like and a subscribe and all these thumbs up things and all that type of stuff. So Wishing Well, here's the first section of the riff. Plenty of overdrive. Probably got a little bit too much on this really for this song, but less is more, as they say. But I do think this is one of those songs that when you listen to Gary Moore's guitar tone on it, it's really overdriven and got loads of guts behind it, which gives him loads of sustain when he's playing the little riffs, as we will discuss very shortly. So here we go. Right, so the riff is like this. Okay, so we start on the second fret of the D string, the 4th string, and we play 2nd fret to open. And then we move to the 5th string and we do the same thing, 2nd fret to open. Now what I tend to do then is actually pop the finger back onto the very first note we played when we play the A string open, and it gives us this power chord. So far we've got this. Just run over that really slow. Okay, you should have a tab there for this anyway. And then the next part is this, which is 2nd fret to open on the A string again, and then we go to the 3rd fret of the 6th, the G note, and then we end that phrase on the E power chord, which is the 2nd fret of the A string and the 6th string open. Okay, so all together we get this. Repeats. Then he actually jumps up a couple of octaves and he goes to the 9th fret of the 3rd string, the G string. Then he plays 9, 7, and then dips that up onto the 4th string and plays the same 2 notes. So far we get this. And then he goes 9, 7, 5, and then he plays the E power chord there. You can play that by just fretting the 7th fret of the A string and playing the 6th string open if you wanted to do it that way. So that second section is okay, nice and slow for you. Okay, and then finally we just got 2 chords to go. One is an open G chord. Now if you play this with a, if you notice the sound, and it's not great because you're picking this up on the camera really rather than separate mics and recording into Pro Tools, but what you tend to find is if there's too much distortion, it crunches it up. It's just a mush, and we don't want mush, we want a little bit of clarity. So for me, and this is how I used to do this on stage, I would pick the 4th, 3rd, 2nd and 1st strings, and I would only fret the 3rd fret of the 1st and 2nd, so I'm playing literally this from the 4th string down. If I put the G note on, hear the difference, how we get that big wall of mush. We don't want that. Well, we might do, but I don't. I like it a little bit more clarity in there. And then he just goes up to the 7th fret with an E chord, but A-shaped E chord, but he plays the 6th string open as well. Okay, so hopefully a bit more up to speed and everything together, we get something like this. Okay, so it's a great track, originally done by Free, I think, and it was Wishing Well, and the version that we've looked at today is by Gary Moore. Please give the channel a like and a subscribe, and also don't forget every Wednesday evening there's a live Q&A at 5:30 GMT time, and not G&T time as I usually say, gin and tonic time. I might just start saying gin and tonic time, I'll probably get it right. And then every Friday morning 8:30 GMT, 8:30 in the morning UK time, I drop another video for you there as well, which is something to do with guitar, singing, music production or music biz, as I've been in this game forever and ever and ever. Oh, it's like a million years. So if there's anything of any knowledge, I'll try and get it out there for everybody to use, and good luck on your musical journey and endeavours, and I'll see you at the same time, same place next week. Thanks for watching.